There's gonna be some good shit there. This is so gonna be Black Mountain. Go, Rocky, go!
You got it. Come on, throw them hooks. Throw them hooks.
Throw them out. Bust them out.
Throw them hooks, Rocky. There you go.
That was the love seat going up his ass. We're so going to have to play this for the guys.
Oh, we're so going to.
Oh, look at him. Look at him. Busting a move.
Come on, Rocky. Throw that uppercut.
Of the tiger.
Switch southpaw. Switch southpaw. Here you go.
No. What was the second movie? He went regular and beat Apollo. I got to go regular.
You don't even know how bad we're gonna fuck with you. That's a bad thing.
We will. YouTube. We're YouTubing it, dude.
You're the man, baby.
Come on, you just won, Brent.
Come on, give us an Adrian.
You're not even bouncing. Come on, bounce. Adrian!